Welcome. Thank you for your time. What do you see when you look in the mirror? What skills and expertise do you see reflected back that may be of value to others? In these short videos, we try to bring skills and expertise to help all in their business adoption and adaptation to the changing world. Please feel free to benefit from these and share with others. In this longer weekly mirror message, we do something different. We take a look back at the problem solving together for our future, sharing skills and expertise series around COVID-19. The link is in the summary, and take a quick look at some of the business transformation lessons we can learn from COVID-19. As vaccines are deployed, some countries have contained the spread of COVID-19 and the world looks to a brighter future. There is much to learn and to be applied from the COVID-19 pandemic to set up for the resulting transformation. COVID-19 will be looked back upon as a case study for many things, including managing change and transformation. The environment was changed, emergent behaviors were instilled, and outcomes managed. People with interests and values aligned, had powered emotional ownership with pride in who they are and what they do to form an emergent behavior to respond to COVID-19. Managing COVID-19 required ambiguity management, messaging to form the emotional bond, empowered emotional ownership, decision making, leadership, and interests and values alignment to get the required outcomes. Our response to COVID-19 is ongoing and varied over time according to the lessons learned and the required variations as circumstances changed. We used our capacity and capability to adopt and adapt, as well as crafting and shaping emergent behaviors. From the health workers to those providing technology support, to the researchers and the teachers, as well as those tasked with protecting us, we developed and strengthened our skills and expertise. The external factors changed. Emergent behaviors were built. Governance was used to manage the response. We responded to changes in the environment, resolved operations, and it was people that delivered the change to respond to COVID-19. Governance. Risk management. COVID-19 was a risk-based approach. From closing borders and shutdowns to save lives was a balance against the economy and preserving society. Through the decisions of a business of how to operate in a COVID-19 constrained world, risk management skills and expertise were integral to the COVID-19 response. Strategy. Countries, states, cities, and businesses needed a strategy for surviving and adopting to the post-COVID-19 world. Leadership. At all levels, we looked for leadership to help us through COVID-19, whether it was political, business, health advice, or the inspirational leadership of frontline workers. Performance management. From rostering rest for stretched health staff to tracking case numbers, aspects of performance management were part of the COVID-19 response. Behaviors. It was the emergent behaviors that brought us through COVID-19. Our ability to adopt and respond was strengthened through messaging and skilling and training on how to respond to COVID-19. We all had different roles and responsibilities to undertake, but it was our responsibilities in washing hands, wearing masks, social distancing, and contact tracing which form the emergent behaviors to help save lives. We managed our expertise in COVID 19 to strengthen our response. Our professional skills in problem solving, working with people, engaging with people, and more were required for managing COVID 19. External. COVID 19 brought changes to the external drivers of markets, costs, responses by customers, and regulatory changes. COVID 19 has seen some online business flourish, whilst others like hospitality, restaurants, and hairdressers have struggled to survive. Environment. The environment was changed by COVID 19. This saw our resiliency challenged. Revised frameworks for managing operations and services were required, funding issues addressed, and brought improvements to the way certain things were done. From frameworks for managing the COVID 19 response in hospitals, to border controls, to the protocols for QR codes for tracking and tracing, as well as numbers of customers, COVID 19 has seen frameworks revised and implemented. The management of funds, liquidity, cash flow, revenue preservation, and cost management applied to countries as well as businesses and organizations at all levels. Skills and expertise were required for responding to COVID 19. Operations. Operations were changed in response to COVID 19. End-to-end processes were required for quarantining arrivals at borders, to keeping logistics going within a COVID 19 impacted world. Businesses needed to revise service models for customers as well as innovate in products and services. Performance management was ongoing in many areas. COVID 19 placed a premium on change management and project management skills. Above all, technology and ICT operations and services underpinned the COVID 19 response from enabling remote working, tracking and tracing, as well as case reporting and research modeling. The role of ICT and information management is a background utility that was integral to the COVID 19 response. People. It was people that brought the response to COVID 19. It was the efforts of the empowered individuals with an emotional response of aligned interests and values which formed an emergent behavior to respond. People had to sustain operations whilst adapting to new circumstances and making improvements along the way to keep operations going in a COVID 19 constrained world. Our COVID 19 response was about our capacity and capability to transform and has lessons for business transformation. We have covered a lot of ground quickly and only at a summary level. So please feel free to pause, review, and replay this video. Thank you to Glenn Lee for suggesting this video. Being in the luckiest 10% of the world with health, house, food, power, water, some funds, and being in Australia, how can I help at this time? What can I do? My approach is to try and help to benefit organizations of all types and sizes by sharing skills and expertise that I hope are of value. Please feel free to share and use. Have fun doing good, and please stay happy and healthy. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and found it of value. Please help others by sharing the link, so they can better themselves. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments about what message is in your mirror.